Let's dive right into today's updates on SoFi's performance and its outlook just before the Q3 earnings release. There's a lot happening, especially with tomorrow's report on the horizon. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. To start, SoFi piggybacked off the general market trend and closed up by 1.82%. After-hours trading is showing unusual activity with both buying and selling taking place, likely due to anticipation about the upcoming earnings. The price ranged between 11.02 cents and 11.32 cents, and the trading volume reached over 68 million, far exceeding the daily average of 47 million. Some of this seems to be related to profit-taking by investors wanting to capitalize on the recent surge, as SoFi is up nearly 40% in the past month alone. Another noteworthy trend is the continued increase in short interest. An additional 508,000 shares were shorted, pushing the total to about 16.84% of the available shares, totaling approximately 176 million. This is interesting, especially given how close we are to the earnings release. Despite this uptick, there's still optimism around SoFi's potential performance, though it's not without risks, as some manipulation is possible. Still, the outlook for SoFi remains mixed as opinions vary on the short-term direction. In the broader market, several factors influence performance today. There's been a lot of speculation, partly driven by a lack of immediate conflict in a certain region, which many feared might escalate. As tensions held back, the price of oil took a significant drop, benefiting a variety of sectors that have been struggling with high fuel costs. This shift positively impacted the overall market, which saw solid gains across the board. The Fear and Greed Index remains in the greed category, suggesting a strong risk appetite among investors. No new regulatory filings or major news emerged today, but several analysts issued insights, primarily focusing on SoFi's Q3 performance and future guidance. The company previously anticipated 75 basis points in interest rate cuts by 2024, and this sentiment might shape tomorrow's results. There's currently a high probability of a 25 basis point cut at the upcoming November 7th meeting. With the current trend, SoFi's upcoming guidance could be heavily scrutinized, as certain investors continue to look critically at fintech companies and the traditional banking sector, searching for potential weaknesses. Options data also reflects substantial optimism, with roughly $33 million in call options versus $7.4 million in puts. About 48% of today's options leaned bullish, although the increase in short positions suggests hedging by some investors. In recent days, there's been substantial interest in $12 call options, indicating that SoFi stock might be expected to approach or exceed this level soon. In fact, many investors anticipate that SoFi could go as high as $15 based on today's options data. Personally, I sold some covered calls at $15, earning 0.06 cents per option, a relatively modest gain, yet it aligns with expectations for short-term returns. On the other hand, the put options show expectations of a drop to around $9, though the data hints at more potential for upward movement. The activity in the secondary market also reflects some selling, likely due to profit-taking from recent high performance. Opinions vary on the short-term potential, with both bullish and bearish camps making predictions. Even with positive earnings, we've seen cases in the past where SoFi stock dipped unexpectedly, so it's best to keep an open mind. Analyst ratings might also play a role, especially if influential figures issue unexpected opinions. For example, one analyst with a track record of triggering dips in SoFi's price could weigh in. A $4 target might cause a stir, even as bullish ratings continue to hold less sway with investors. Tomorrow should be an interesting day for SoFi and the broader market, as investors analyze the Q3 earnings and assess what this could mean for the near future. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.